Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. And the first what we should do is to check if you have the last software version. Open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Yeah, here we go. Okay, you need to click at the three lines at the left top, and right here we have upgrade firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so you just tap on it and the check for updates. It said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Right here at the bottom you will see a button download, and you just tap on it and you will install a new version. Now, if it didn't help you or you haven't new version, the next one what I should recommend it to do is to let's say you listen to music in Apple Music or your browser or Spotify. Firstly, just remove it from the cache and then open it again. Now check if it not fixed your problem. Also I recommend it to check if you have the last version of this application, so open App Store or Google Play and check it. If it also didn't help you, the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case, open the lid. You need to locate this connection button on the front side and press and hold it until this LED light flashed white 2 times. Firstly it entered to pairing mode, here we go. Now we keep holding it. 1, 2. Here we go. Now we need to remove it, so go to the settings, Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds or settings icon. Forget and forget. If you have Android, click pair new device after that, and after a factory reset this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it as the device list. Now just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!